Don't you lot normally travel in pairs?
Just me today.
Would you like a cup of tea?
My dearest grandson, Oliver Brady, I'm writing this letter to you to let you know that I'm leaving Belvedere Farm in your name. Unfortunately, as your grandmother has now passed.
Setting the sweaty memories on fire and never looking back, fallen in love with it. Emotional stability as they wrap their arms around me.
Last night, some guy kicked his tent in while she was sleeping.
Really? Poor guy. What I set up. Keep yourself comfy.
Amazing, isn't it?
Why should anyone care about it?
I just want you to see it's just you and me, and you don't need to worry about nothing. Fuck all your exes, be all of them I need, so they love you, them boys with.
From Boyens with Claire? Should I take my shoes off? Do you want to take your shoes off?
Do you want me to take my shoes off?
If you want to.